So I have already created my background layer. I use this color here. So I'm going to left click on the background. The HTML notation is FF5C5C. Press OK. And now select the text tool. So the color I'm going to use for my text is this one here, the background. I'm going to left click. And the color is F0E19E. Press OK. And now I'm going to type my text. Left click. And now Control A to select all text. And now I'm going to change the font. So double click here. So I'm going to use this font here, Blend Script Regular. Now I'm going to reduce a little bit the size to 450. So I think it's okay. Now select the alignment tool. And now make sure the align is relative to the image, and now align it horizontally and then vertically. And now make sure to select the text layer, go to filters, light and shadow, and then select drop shadow. And now, as you can see, the chain icon here is linked, so double click inside here and then type 0. It will make both X and Y axis to 0. Reduce the blur radius all the way down to 0. For the color, leave it to black. For the opacity, I'm going to increase it all the way up. And now, in order to add the outline, I'm just going to increase the grow radius. For the grow shape, I'm going to leave it to circle. And now I'm just going to press OK. And now go to filters again, light and shadow. And then this time select long shadow. Change the color, left click here to black. Press OK. So I think I'm going to leave it with these settings here. The style finite, the angle 45, length 100. So I'm going to leave it like this and now press OK. And now I want to create the sunburst background. So I'm going to select my background layer. So I have already created the tutorial on creating it using the filters, distort and then blinds, but it's not working really well. There are still some issues with the Gimp 3. So I'm going to use Gimp. So left click here, select Gimp, and the filter here is under patterns and then raise. So you can just, for example, if I close this one, just type in the search bar raise. So here it is. It's this one here, patterns raise. So I already used the color I wanted. So for this one here, it's the red. The HTML is FF5C5C. Press OK. And for the second color, left click, it's F0E19E. Press OK. And now just press OK. Now I'm going to select my text layer, select the move tool, hold the control key and then move it up to move it on a straight line. So like this. And now I'm going to add a distressed effect. So I'm going to bring an image. So this is the image I'm going to use. It's on top of my layers. So right click on it, layer to image size, and now go to colors and then threshold to turn it into black and white. So I'm going to move this slider here to the right, as you can see. So as you can see, it's revealing more black spots. So now I'm going to increase it to my liking and then press OK. And now select the select by color tool, this one here, left click. So here are the settings I'm using. And now I'm going to select the white area. So I'm going to left click here on the layer. So here it is selected. And now I'm going to invert the selections. So go to select, invert. And now I'm going to hide this layer. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon, fill it with transparency and then press OK. And now I'm going to change the foreground color to white. So here it is, press OK. And now I'm just going to fill this selection on the new transparent layer we created. So here it is, and now I'm going to select none. And now you can reduce, for example, the opacity. And now you can still edit the text. If I select the text layer, this one here, select the text tool, double click. So now you can, for example, edit it, even though that you can find some issues here if you make the text too long. So I'm going to make it back to vintage. You can also increase the size, so make sure to select all text. Let's, for example, increase the size to 500. So now I'm going to select the move tool. So here it is. I'm going to place it here.